Android Auto 16.5 warning. WhatsApp voice message bug explained.
You're driving, a voice note comes in, you hit play, and nothing. The bar is moving, but your speakers are silent. If your WhatsApp voice notes have stopped working on Android Auto after the latest update, you are not alone. This is a massive bug in versions 16.4 and 16.5, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it.
What's up, everyone? Google pushed out the March 2026 updates for Android Auto, and while it was supposed to bring stability, it's done the exact opposite for WhatsApp users. In this video, we're diving into why this is happening and the 3 workarounds you can use right now to get your audio back. So, here's the deal. Since versions 16.4 and 16.5 dropped, users across the board, from Samsung to Pixel, are reporting total silence. The system might even tell you the message contains an audio attachment, and then just give up. Interestingly, it's not universal. Some Pixel 10 Pro XL users on wireless setups say they're fine, which suggests this is a conflict between the new Gemini integration and the car's legacy audio protocol. All right, let's get you fixed. We have 3 levels of solutions. Level 1, the Gemini tweak, the most likely fix. Google is pushing Gemini hard, but it seems to be breaking the play aloud handshake. Go into your Google Assistant settings, and if Gemini is active, try reverting to Classic Assistant. Many users report this instantly restores the audio routing. Level 2, the Bluetooth reset. It sounds basic, but unpair your phone from the car completely. Delete the profile on both the phone and the car's head unit, then repair. This forces a new handshake between the devices. Level 3, the nuclear option, rollback. If those don't work, you need to go back to version 16.3. You'll need to uninstall Android Auto updates and sideload the 16.3 APK from a trusted site like APK Mirror. Pro tip, make sure you disable Auto Update in the Play Store afterward, or your phone will just break itself again tonight.
Google hasn't released an official patch yet, but I'll be tracking the 16.6 beta closely. If you found a different fix or if one of these worked for you, drop a comment below. It really helps the community. If this video saved your commute, hit that like button and subscribe for more Android Auto updates. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.